Hi everyone, welcome to this colorful garden retreat on my upper deck. I call it my treetop bistro, and it's my favorite place to spend a quiet summer morning. The first year we moved here, I created a small blue and cream deck garden while we were building the large gardens below. A few years later, a huge oak tree fell without warning and smashed the lower deck. Eventually, we had to rebuild the upper deck too. But this gave me an opportunity to try a new color scheme of bright coral, peach, gold, and burgundy, inspired by the rugs made by Mad Mats. I love being surrounded by these cheerful colors. High in the sky, this deck is surrounded by tall woods filled with birds, butterflies, and bees. I try new flowers every summer, and my favorite this year is Amaranth Coral Fountain. It grows huge in a pot, and the long, graceful flowers drape to the floor. On early, cool mornings, I often find bumblebees sleeping in the flowers. They wake up as the sun warms the air. The deck that looks bare in early May is planted with seeds and potted annuals and is filled with color in a month. It grows more lush all summer long, filling the space with non-stop color. The hay racks in the corner are filled with sweet potato vine, million bells, and apricot sprite agastache for the bees and hummingbirds. I always plant 2 large pots of cherry tomatoes flanking the spiral staircase. This year's choices are both decorative and delicious. I love this bird's eye view of the garden, and I often see the hummingbirds gather below and then fly up to sample the flowers above. Do you have a favorite space in your garden to spend a summer morning? Let me know in the comments below.